Home is that everyone deserves to live in an incredible space that brings you comfort and joy. Your space should not only look amazing, but it should be a reflection of your personality and style. And it should function in a way that works with how you live your life. It might sound impossible, and that's because incredible interior design does not happen by chance. Great spaces are carefully explored, planned, and curated by the professionals. Hi friends, welcome back to Interior Makeover. My name is Khushi Jaiswal. I'm an interior designer and stylist. Today I will tell you profession of interior design. In simplistic terms, an interior designer is a person who designs the interior of people's house. But the job does not end there. An interior designer does not simply design something very artistic to be done with a house, but he or she strikes the right balance between convenience and beauty for their customers. They take into account all furnishing that necessarily have to be present in the house and how best to lay them out in an empty flat to make it a lively home that is pleasing to the eyes. What this means is that an interior designer has to make the best out of whatever space he or she is given while keeping in mind things such as how much sunlight, fresh air comes into the room, what arrangement would mean most comfort for the customer, and what will be the most pretty as per the customer taste. After your 10 plus 2 education, you can directly go for Bachelor in Interior Designing, Furniture Design, Ceramic and Glass Design, and other similar courses. They have different names, but a look at their syllabus will tell you the subtle difference and what you should be pursuing. The National Institute of Design (NID) and ARC Academy are two famous colleges. Whether you are planning to decorate your new home, going for a renovation, or simply want to make a few changes in your existing space, an interior designer can work everything out while proving to be a value for money. A designer could save you from these compulsive purchases and save you on a lot of money. Interior design is much more than getting your decor right. Today, we are trying to understand how important it is. Gone are the days when it was true that interior design was just a pompous expression for a certain sensitivity and good taste in decorating a space. Something like choosing the right fabrics or color to use. Nowadays, there are more and more those who realize the true importance of having a space taken care of by specialists, with a presentation comfortable and pleasant for all. The specialist is responsible for interior design of your property or office evaluated. Listen to your needs and reflect on options that optimize its use based on what you want for each division. There are several challenges that make interior design an activity developed by professionals in the fields. Basically, it is a way to transform the lives of people who live or enjoy a certain space, improving their quality of life in this through design and decoration. Interior designers are in demand these days, not only because of the increase in the number of people wanting their homes designed, but also in the number of restaurants, shops, offices, etc. that want their spaces designed. Nowadays, aesthetics is an important part of any office space. Every workplace requires an efficient design that helps to get the job done quickly. Further, restaurants and shops often take off in their business on the basis of their cool interiors. Thus, the interior designers has become a very important. Let's see how many people want to become an interior designer now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest update. If you have any query, please ask me in the comment section. Bye. See you next time.